The Chernobyl exclusion zone, once synonymous with disaster and abandonment, has become an unparalleled experiment in wildlife resilience. Over the past 40 years, the absence of human activity has allowed nature to reclaim the landscape, transforming crumbling Soviet structures and empty streets into dense forests and vibrant meadows. This accidental sanctuary now supports a remarkable diversity of species, from wild horses to wolves, all adapting to a radioactive environment. The zone stands as a testament to the power of ecological recovery, offering scientists a unique window into how life responds when humans step away. In this living laboratory, the boundaries of survival and adaptation are continually being redefined. In April 1986, the world witnessed one of the most catastrophic nuclear disasters in history at the Chernobyl power plant in Ukraine. The explosion released massive amounts of radioactive material into the environment, forcing the evacuation of over 100,000 people and rendering a vast area uninhabitable. Authorities established the Chernobyl exclusion zone, a 2,600 square kilometer region where human activity abruptly ceased. Over time, this zone transformed into an accidental experiment, offering scientists a rare opportunity to observe how nature responds and adapts when people vanish from the landscape. The stage was set for an unprecedented exploration of ecological resilience and adaptation in the shadow of disaster. In 2026, groundbreaking peer-reviewed studies have shed new light on the Chernobyl exclusion zone, revealing a remarkable story of ecological recovery. Researchers found that, despite lingering radiation, the absence of human activity has allowed wildlife populations to thrive. Species such as wolves, Lynx, and Przewalski's horses have not only survived but flourished, adapting to the unique challenges of their environment. These findings challenge previous assumptions, reframing the exclusion zone as a living laboratory and a beacon of nature's resilience. The research underscores how, when left undisturbed, ecosystems can rebound in extraordinary ways, even in places marked by disaster. Within the Chernobyl exclusion zone, wolf populations have not only survived, but appear to be thriving despite persistent radiation. Recent scientific studies have uncovered genetic mutations in these wolves, particularly in cancer suppressor genes. These mutations may enhance their ability to repair DNA damage, potentially granting them a form of resistance to the harmful effects of radiation. This discovery has significant implications, as the same genes are central to human cancer research and treatment. By studying how Chernobyl's wolves adapt at the genetic level, scientists hope to unlock new insights into radiation resistance and disease prevention for both wildlife and humans. Przewalski's horses, recognized as the last truly wild horses on Earth, were reintroduced to the Chernobyl exclusion zone in 1998. Since then, these resilient animals have established a thriving population, breeding naturally amid the radioactive landscape. Their presence is a testament to the adaptability of wildlife in the absence of human interference. Grazing in open meadows against the backdrop of abandoned cooling towers, the horses symbolize both the unexpected vitality and the ongoing mysteries of life within the zone. Their success story offers valuable insights into how ecosystems can recover and even flourish after catastrophic events. In the abandoned streets of Pripyat, over 700 feral dogs now roam in organized packs, a living testament to nature's adaptability. Recent genetic studies reveal that these dogs have diverged significantly from their domestic ancestors in just 2 generations. Researchers have identified unique genetic adaptations shaped by the harsh conditions of the exclusion zone that help them survive in an environment marked by radiation and scarcity. These changes highlight the remarkable speed at which evolution can occur when animals are faced with extreme challenges. The Pripyat dogs offer a rare glimpse into how quickly life can adapt when left to its own devices. Animated comparisons reveal a striking pattern. Wildlife population densities inside the Chernobyl exclusion zone often match or exceed those found in nearby protected nature reserves, despite radiation levels 10 times higher than normal. This data challenges conventional assumptions about the destructive impact of radiation on ecosystems. Instead, it suggests that the absence of human activity is a more significant factor in ecological recovery and resilience. The flourishing biodiversity in Chernobyl raises a profound question. What does it mean when radiation proves less harmful to nature than human presence? These findings invite us to reconsider the complex relationship between environmental disturbance and the capacity of ecosystems to adapt and thrive. Despite the remarkable resurgence of wildlife in the Chernobyl exclusion zone, new challenges threaten this fragile ecosystem. Ongoing regional conflict has introduced instability, putting both biodiversity and ongoing scientific research at risk. The area's unique status as a haven for rare species and a living laboratory underscores the importance of its preservation. Experts emphasize that maintaining the exclusion zone as a protected nature reserve is crucial for safeguarding its ecological integrity. Continued protection will ensure that the lessons learned from Chernobyl's recovery are not lost to future generations. In the decades since the Chernobyl disaster, the exclusion zone has undergone a remarkable transformation. What was once a symbol of catastrophe has become an unexpected sanctuary, where wildlife not only survives but flourishes in the absence of human interference. The thriving populations of wolves, horses, and countless other species reveal nature's extraordinary capacity for resilience and adaptation. As scientists continue to uncover genetic changes and new behaviors among these animals, the story of Chernobyl challenges our understanding of life's tenacity. The true question now is not simply whether wildlife can endure such adversity, but what new forms and possibilities are emerging in this accidental experiment of evolution.